Acura Integra, full details. Model year, 2023 or newer. Brand, Acura. Segment, compact sport sedan. Exterior features, sleek, sporty design with a fastback silhouette. Diamond pentagon front grille with the iconic Acura badge. Jewel eye LED headlights and Chicane LED daytime, running lights. Available in vibrant colors like Apex Blue Pearl, as shown. Aggressive front bumper with wide air intakes. 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim. Gloss black or chrome exterior accents. Engine and performance. Engine, 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. Horsepower, around 200 HP. Torque, approximately 192 lb-ft. Transmission, 6-speed manual transmission available, with rev match or a CVT automatic. Front-wheel drive, FWD. Drive modes, comfort, normal, sport, individual mode in spec models. Interior features, sporty cabin with high-quality materials. Available leather-trimmed or micro-suede seats. Heated front seats. 7-inch or 9-inch touchscreen display, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 10.2-inch Acura Precision Cockpit Digital Instrument Cluster. Available L Studio 3D Premium Audio System. Dual-zone automatic climate control. Ambient interior lighting. Safety and driver assistance. AcuraWatch suite of safety features. Collision mitigation braking system, CMBS. Adaptive cruise control, AECC. Lane keeping assist system, OCAS. Road departure mitigation, RDM. Multi-angle rear view camera. Blind spot information system with rear cross traffic monitor. Other highlights: Sporty spec trim adds sport styling, larger wheels, and premium interior touches. Versatile cargo space with a hatchback-style rear. Competitive fuel economy for a sporty car.